back to my channel. My name is Naomi T. Grant. If this is your first time here, and if this is not your first time here, thank you for watching again. I'm going to be featuring the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. This came out earlier in August, and I'm creating this full face as well as featuring this eyeshadow palette in this video. So if you want to see how I created this full face glam, keep on watching. Hey guys, so now that I have the foundation, concealer, and a little bit of security underneath the eyes, let's go in with the eyeshadow product. So here is the eyeshadow palette. The palette, it is beautiful. I took some photos of it before I started shooting, and like when you flash on this baby, it looks like rainbow, like it looks like unicorns. It's very, very Jackie Aina. I love the symbol in the front. I love that her fiance Dennis created this symbol for her because it made me think of my man. Like if I was to ever do, well, when I do a collab with a beauty brand in the future, I can see him being hands-on and creating the logo for me. So that was very, very sweet. It has the classic Anastasia Beverly Hills shape to their palette. 14 shadows, which is normal for Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. This is maybe my third or fourth Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. They're very pigmented. They are very consistent. So let's go in with, usually what I like to do is I like to go in with a crease color anyway. So I'm going to go in with edges. And I'm going to use a bigger brush. I'm going to use, this is the Morphe M573. So I'm going to go with edges. It does actually come with a brush. I've never cared about the brush that it comes with. I almost never like why do brands give us brushes or tools to come with the eyeshadow when it's like, they suck. I'm not using that. I'm not using that. So it's going to stay right there. Alright, I wanted to bring you guys a little bit closer. So far, only thing that I did was I took a little bit of edges and I put it into my outer corner, but then brought it upward over my crease. So you see my creases here? I'm taking it over because I really wanted to make this color just pop a lot more. I'm bringing the color upward because Jackie has a bigger lid space than me, and I just really wanted to create something as close to what I think Jackie Aina will create. So the next color that I'm gonna go with, I'm just gonna play with pinker because I don't understand this color. And I'm just gonna tap that, and I'm going to put it right here. And so I'm gonna go in now with Big Wig, and I'm gonna take that and put it in that inner corner now, but also bring it in a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with Credit. Credit is this color, is this color right here. And this is a very, it's like a chestnut brown. It's a dark brown. I'm gonna add that in that outer corner as well, just to see. I just want to see what it's going to do. Feeling these colors. So what is making me feel a little bit nervous is these shimmers now. Alright, so let's go on with the shimmers because that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the colors are shimmers, so I have to play around with them. I'm gonna go with, I don't know if I want to do Duolas. I love that. I actually love that she spelled the word because it looks like Duolas. That's mad funny. I'm gonna go in with Ziam, okay? Taking my brush like that, and I'm going to spray it with my Fix Plus. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay, Jackie. Oh, okay. Okay, so I have mixed thoughts. Ooh, it's really pretty. Whew. It's a lot of fallout, and I am regretting not using this as a topper. I feel like I could have used this last, you know? So I'm just taking and bringing it up. I'm getting it here, which is not the end of the world, but I just was trying to avoid that. But this is what happens when you use this color. So my bad. So I took it up a little bit. I'm going to go in with Soleil, which is the color right here, right on top of it. And I'm going to try to just put that exactly where I put the shade and see if that makes a difference. And then I'm going to go in with these warmer colors, the ones that I use already in the crease area, just to warm it up. Going in with Big Wig now. On to the next side, because what you do on one eye, you have to do the exact same thing on the other, even if it was a mistake, because we gotta have the match. So I'm using Zam. I sprayed the heck out of it with my brush. Maybe if I apply it upside down, I can get it closer to my lash line and have more control on my placement. And guess what? It's working. Okay, I am back. My lashes are on. I decided to pull the camera back a little bit because now I'm going to do the rest of my face. So I just wanted to come a little bit closer so you guys can see the full look up and close. You know, see the eye, see the lash, all of that. But this eyeshadow palette performed the same way I assumed any other Anastasia palette would perform. Pigmentation is amazing. It blends really, really nicely. It has a nice mix of neutrals as well as shimmers as well as mattes. It is a really, really great palette. Now, I am a makeup artist. I'm also a makeup junkie. Do I have eyeshadow palettes with colors like this already? Of course. It's Jackie Aina, and I had to support. It's not really every day that women of color or people of color do collabs with major brands like this. So I thought it was really, really important. I just really wanted to make a statement to brands. Like, if you use people of color to represent your brand and do collabs with them, like, we see that, we will purchase, we want to see more of that. So I had to support for that reason really alone. How these colors perform are amazing compared to the other eyeshadow palettes that I have with colors like this. So if you are really looking for something that you can use every day, because there are neutral everyday colors, but also something that you can play and really like elevate your makeup look and do something really bold, this is a really, really great palette. It is sold in Sephora as well as Anastasia Beverly Hills website. It goes for $45, which is the average cost of any other Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So thank you so much for watching this full face glam that I created using the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I hope she does more collabs with them in the future. Congratulations again, Jackie Aina. Thank you so much for tuning in and sticking through this whole video. If you watched this whole video, make sure you subscribe, share this with a friend, comment down below. Let me know if you already purchased this eyeshadow palette. I'll see you guys in my next video, and take care, guys. Bye.